What's up, folks? Dr.Gryzz here with another beer and vape pairing. Now, today is Sunday. I've already done a video today and uploaded it, but I'm going to do a second one because tomorrow, Monday, is New Year's Eve. And I bought enough different beers to go the whole month because I'm doing one every day, plus a couple extra just in case, just in case I made a fucked up video and couldn't upload it or something happened to the video, so I would have another one to do. And on top of that, I ran out of the rum and had to go buy something else and bought a whiskey, because that's what I do, I guess. So I said, well, fuck it, I guess I'll do a video today because I have a special something planned for tomorrow for New Year's Eve, a special pairing. And, fuck it. I have all these extra beers, let's do one. And I just finished watching the Patriots decimate the New York Jets. I'm very happy for that. So, let's celebrate with a shot. And what did we pick up? We picked up some Maker's Mark, some Kentucky straight bourbon, handmade Kentucky straight bourbon, because, I got a little tired of the rum. So, back to the whiskey. I went with an Irish whiskey last time, some Puerto Rican rum, and now I'm on to some American whiskey from Kentucky. So we're going to do a quick... I'm only going to do a little half shot, though, because, I did just finish watching a football game and I drank some beers, so I don't want to get too fucked up. I do have to work in the morning. So, let's do that shot. Ooh, let's decide what we're going to pair with it first. You know what? I think I'm going to do the donuts. I have a feeling the coconut-covered donuts is going to be a good match for this bourbon. Oh, it smells sweet. I love that. I love the smell, the sweet smell of American bourbons. Irish whiskeys and scotches have more of a bitter tone to it, on the smell. American stuff is usually a little bit sweeter, especially bourbons. Not rye. Rye is a little on the sour side. Let's give it a go. That is fucking good whiskey. And I was right. The donuts went well with it. The other thing I like about whiskey is that spread of warmth in your chest. Like, warmth spreads through your body after you take the shot. It's so nice. So nice. So what are we pairing today? Well, we got a beer. We got another Troegs. This is the second Troegs of the day. And that's Blizzard Hops, their special winter one. Winter IPA, that's all they're calling it. 6.4%, 80 IBU, so it's a little high up there. It's going to be bitter. Centennial, Galaxy, Chinook, and El Dorado hops. Deep gold color. Winter IPA to toast hop growers around the world, blah, blah. Stormy, hoppy, citrus, pine notes. Again with the stories. We don't really need the stories, guys. We just need good beer. Alright, I got fingerprints all over this fucking glass already. But who cares? We're having a beer. That's all that matters, is we're having a very brightly colored IPA. A very bright yellow, almost like a pineapple color, like liquid pineapple color. And I'm smelling some pineapple on that too. That's a good hop aroma coming off of that little pineapple. A little orange zest, a little pineapple and orange zest on that bouquet. That bouquet. Let's taste it. Oh wow. I'm thoroughly impressed. Troegs has done it again. It's got a like a soft mouthfeel too, almost like a NEPA. But it's way more bitter than your average NEPA. But I like that. I like that almost astringent kind of bitterness in a hop. I mean, in an IPA. This is fantastic. And then tropical notes are coming through. I'm getting pineapple, orange zest, like a little touch of lemon on there. That's a good mouthfeel. It's like very soft on the mouth. Ooh, what can we put with it? What can we put with it? Well, let's go fruit on fruit. Let's do some fruit on fruit crime first. Let's start it off that way. So I got the pencil pusher, which is like an orgy of fruit. An orgy of fruit. Yeah, so if you look at the picture on the label, it's literally like a little bit of everything that's in that picture, okay? It's just a smack you in the mouth with a bunch of fruit kind of shit. It's a good one. One of my favorites. I wouldn't call it an all-day vape, but it's one of my favorites. And of course, the mid-vape burp kind of ruined that, but we'll go. Let's go it again. Oh yeah. All that did was add more tropical to the beer. It brought that up. And it also brought some of that bitterness up too. Along with it in kind of a strange way. Made it a little more pronounced on that. It didn't do much for the softness of the beer though. It kind of made it a little harsher. I don't know why. Let me give that a second opinion. Let's do it the other way. Beer first, then this. See, that was a little better going that way because the vape didn't get in the way of the beer while it was in my mouth, and that was good. But I wouldn't consider that a winner. I wouldn't consider that a winner. Now, no way I'm doing the macchiato with this because that's going to be terrible. So I guess we're going blackberry jam on buttered toast. Where is my other dripper? I don't know where my other dripper is. Oh, you know what? We'll taste this, and then I'll throw the BTFC on that, and we'll do the BTFC. We'll do some of that RY4. I have a feeling RY4 is going to go good with this, but Blackberry Jam Monster first. That was good, but I did just get a little bit of a dry hit. I might have to re-wick this thing. Alright, so the buttered toast part gave this sort of a bready type of note that's missing from the beer by itself, and that was rather pleasant. But the blackberry part did not go well with the pineapple. Like, blackberries and pineapples kind of don't go together. They just kind of don't. I don't know why raspberries and pineapples go together, but blackberries, for some reason, they just don't do well with pineapple. And that was just it right there. You know, it sucks, guys, because I don't have anything else set up, and I kind of don't feel like having to set up the BTSE just to try something. So I guess the winner today is going to be the pencil pusher. That's going to be our winner today, because it just worked really well, and I don't see any reason to go looking for something else. I just don't. Especially since I don't have anything else set up to do it with. I should have thought of that before I started the video, but we're already 9.5 minutes in, so fuck it. Here's your winner, pencil pusher, with the Blizzard Hop by Troegs. There you have it, folks. That's your winner. Got all emotional. So stop smoking shit that tastes like ass. Start vaping shit like what I just did. Pair it with some phenomenal beer. Because life's too short to drink shitty beer and smoke shitty cigarettes, which are going to make your life even shorter. I'll see you guys. And stay tuned for tomorrow. If you guys are watching, stay tuned for tomorrow because I do have a special something to pair with vapes tomorrow. And I'm going to have a plethora of setups to try with it. So we're going to do something fantastic. All right. And hopefully we get a little emotional with it. Hopefully. All right, guys. See ya.